Nokia industrial-grade private wireless is powering Industry 4.0 today and the 5G revolution tomorrow. Your own dedicated network, connecting everything, person, and data point, and untethering endless possibilities. The digital factory of the future will come to life by connecting more things than ever. Nokia Private Wireless provides ultra-reliable, secure connectivity that gives you the capacity to digitize and scale, frees you from cable, Wi-Fi limitations for real-time agility, and shatters downtime and time to market. We've produced some exciting use cases, so let's have a look. When it comes to transporting materials, autonomous mobile robots really deliver. The coverage, reliability, and other features of private wireless give these next generation of intelligent AGVs the context awareness they need to avoid obstacles. They can use plant data to stay updated on production changes, and data from cameras and sensors can improve collaboration between themselves and workers. A digital twin puts a data-rich model of an object or process in your hands so you can understand and act smarter and faster. You can improve OEE by reducing downtime and improving performance. Increase the reliability of lines and equipment, see maintenance issues before they happen, and ultimately boost profit and productivity. Nokia industrial-grade private wireless, powering the new age of manufacturing and every other industry from now to next. Nokia.